Hey guys, welcome back to Inchworm Gardens. On today's variety spotlight, we're going to be talking about a hot pepper variety called the Sugar Rush Peach. Now that sounds very sweet and friendly, but I don't think it is. Let's take a closer look. All right, here's what the plants look like growing. They get up to about 5 feet tall. These are probably about 3.5. They have these lovely little pointed peppers on them, and they ripen to a lovely peach color. Very pretty. An interesting thing on these is some of them are very smooth like this, but check this out, growing over here on this other plant, very wrinkled and different kind of wrinkled shapes, which is cool. More there. So I have not tried this yet. I hear it's pretty spicy. It ranks around the heat of a mild habanero, which habaneros are quite spicy. I personally am not real great with spice, so this would probably be quite spicy for me personally. But everyone has their preferences. So it has grown really easily. This is 4 plants kind of crammed in here. They're probably tighter spaced than they should be, but they've been growing fine. I believe they originate from Peru originally. Otherwise, I don't really know a whole lot more about them. I just thought they sounded cool and the color was pretty. All right, but the real test is, how do they taste? All right, like I said, I'm not real great with spice. I do like a good hot sauce, but a fresh hot pepper right off the plant, that's another story. But in the interest of testing and spotlighting this variety, we're gonna taste one. All right, so here we go. Doesn't get any fresher than that. Doesn't have much smell. Really nice peach color. Now my original plan for using these peppers was to use them in salsas. Now we have probably a dozen, 30 plus pods on their way, and there's no way that we're going to be eating them all. So probably be giving some away, making some salsas, and I'm also going to actually try to pickle a few of these today, see how that turns out. I don't normally eat hot peppers fresh like this. So without further ado, the Sugar Rush Peach. Okay, nice burst of flavor. Quite good actually. Juicy. I did get a little sweetness, almost like a citrusy sweetness right up front. It is spicy. I felt it immediately in my throat. Not bad actually. Different spices kind of hit your mouth and lips in different places. This is pretty much all the back of the throat and back of the mouth. I don't feel it on my lips. Don't really feel it on my tongue. But it's good. It does definitely have a sweetness. Almost kind of like an apricot flavor. That's nice. Take another little bite here. Yeah, surprisingly juicy. I like it. It's actually quite good. Now I do know it gets hotter as you get into the seeds and this ribbing up here. It's where a lot of the heat is. So it'll probably just get hotter as I eat it. But you know, not as bad as I thought. I thought it would be a little more intense, but the flavor is really good. That's a winner. Especially you guys that are big pepper heads, that really like hot peppers. You guys would probably have no problem with this. So that's the Sugar Rush Peach. Got these seeds from Baker Creek. It's a fun plant to grow. Pick you guys up some. Take another bite. And like I said, I'm gonna pick a few more of these and we're gonna pickle them. See how that tastes. All right guys, that's it. Thanks for watching this variety spotlight, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Bye for now.